IP Mason, CHWA Nation, I have a surprise for you. See, after Critical Condition, I had time to sit here and think. I had a lot of time to sit here and think. After he speared Matty Monarch, I wanted to sit here and brag for a second. Because, IP is not the only one with a cool computer setup. I have one too. Look at that. That's cool. That's cool. I got something he doesn't. I got a cool ass bird. That's cool. Alright. So that means IP and I are on the same level. If not, I'm a little bit better because I got a cool bird. Now, I got 3 things that he doesn't on top of the bird and the cool computer setup. John Holt, 7, wrestled for the CHWA Tag Team Championships in a 4-team ladder match. John Holt, 8, I wrestled in a Falls Count Anywhere no disqualification match where I got fucking crucified. John Holt, 9, I wrestled in a double dog collar match. Now, where am I coming at? Where am I coming from? I am coming from a place of hatred and violence. You're so angry because I outsmarted you. Because, you think you're the smart guy, the computer guy. I know what you are. You're just a fucking meathead. But that's fine. Because at John Holt 10, IP, let's recreate all of my favorite moments. Let's bring out the doors, the weapons, the signs, the chains, the tacks. And I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you, dude. And then at the end of John Holt 10, when I'm holding the International Championship high, and you're crying to yourself, you'll realize you're not the big bad menace in this story. No. Because I am. Because I'm the villain.